What's up, Amazon Flex drivers? In this video, I want to just show you real quickly how you cash out your money after earning on Amazon Flex before the weekly cash out. So if you don't want to wait till the end of the week or whatever day is set up for you to get your cash out on, you can go ahead and you can actually cash out your earnings as soon as you receive them right after your route if you really want to. So I want to go through that real quick. So the thing you got to do, go into your app, click on the three bars at the top left of the screen. It's going to pull up all of the items that are available for you to select from. On the drop down, you want to find where it says earnings. When you click on earnings, it's going to pull up what you currently have in your app earnings. And at the top, it shows the number. Just below that, in a blue rectangle, it says cash out. In this image, I don't have any money in my account currently, but if you had money in there, you would see that cash out rectangle lit up light blue. And you go ahead, you click on that, and it's going to pull up the amount you're looking to cash out. It's going to show you two options. You're going to see where it says instant cash out and overnight cash out. Next business day, it might say. There is a 50-cent fee for the instant cash out, so you'll want to be aware of that. You can use that, and if you do that, it will take 50 cents off of your total. So if you had $63, you're going to get $62.50 into your bank account because that instant transactional fee. So go ahead and do that if you want. But if you don't, and you don't want to pay the 50 cents, they give you the option to do next business day. It does it overnight. I usually use that if I don't really have to have the money in there right away. It just saves me a little bit of money each time I do it. So there are two options to doing that. You need to be aware of those things, that the 50-cent fee is on the instant. There is no fee on the next business day cash out. So you don't have to wait that 5-day period or 7-day period for them to automatically deposit money in your account. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to subscribe, feel free. If not, no big deal. Till the next video, take care.